I got the best news ever for y'all. Y'all know how everybody want Navy Federal. Everybody want Navy Federal. I also have Navy Federal, but it's not the best banking no more. It is not by far. You got Apple Credit Union. The new Apple Credit Union give you 5% interest. They give it to you. They don't take it from you. Also, you get a 50K loan. They don't do credit checks or nothing. And if you have bad credit, they will repair your credit for you and help you with a credit builder app. So do not miss out. Do not miss out. I see y'all at the top. If you like this content, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Check out all the other videos. Y'all have a blessed day, gang.
Navy Federal is no longer the big dog of the credit unions. There's another credit union called Apple Federal Credit Union. And you don't got to be in the military to qualify to get in. And they can give you up to 50K on the personal side and up to 50K on the business side, even with bad credit, which I don't recommend if you have bad credit. But they also have a credit builder account. So even if you're in the 4s or the 5s, low 6s, you can get a credit builder account and get up to 5K on the credit builder account. So now you can build up your account, build up your profile, and qualify for that 50 on the personal and the business. Also, they have a savings account where you can get 5% interest. You can earn up to 5% interest on a savings account. That's the new top dog of the credit unions. You heard it. I said it first.